We have the new TechLife Pad Neo, another exciting addition to its devices following the successful launch of the brand's first ever tablet, the TechLife Pad. Designed for students and young adults, the TechLife Pad Neo is your ultimate companion for study sessions, entertainment, and staying connected. Now, this holiday season, it's the ideal gift that blends the perfect balance of functionality, style, and affordability, making sure it stands out under the Christmas tree. Now, before we take a closer look at its amazing features, let's unbox to see everything included inside. The TechLife Pad Neo comes in a durable packaging box made of thick matte finish white cardboard type material. Opening the box, you have the following contents: SIM ejector tool, user manual, TechLife Pad Neo unit, USB-A to USB-C cable, 10-watt power adapter. A screen protector is already pre-applied on the device for extra protection. The TechLife Pad Neo offers two modern colors in sky blue and our review unit in a storm gray variant. With a thickness of 8.5mm, it's sleek and easy to carry around. For a sturdy, stylish, and lightweight feel, the back cover of the TechLife Pad Neo is made from high-quality PC plus ABS material. The tablet has a sleek metal frame with rounded edge corners that gives the device a premium and modern look while it ensures to provide a comfortable grip. The rear cameras are housed within a circular module design with its outer ring having a nice fluted bezels positioned in the top left corner, while the TechLife logo is neatly placed in the bottom right corner. In portrait orientation, the right side edge houses the power sleep button, volume controls, and microphone. Two speaker grills are on the left side. The top edge features a USB-C port, SIM card tray, and a 3.5mm audio jack for your wired headphones. The bottom edge is clean with no ports or buttons. The TechLife Pad Neo features evenly thick front bezels around the display, providing just enough space to rest your thumb without disrupting the viewing experience. The front-facing camera is housed in a punch-hole design positioned at the center of the right bezel for a clean, symmetrical look. Onto the screen of the TechLife Pad Neo, it boasts a large 10.1-inch HD display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. The display of the tablet is using an IPS TFT panel that can still deliver a sharp, vibrant, vivid colors as well as good viewing angles. You also get support for 16.7 million shades for lifelike colors and a maximum brightness of 300 nits for great clarity even in brighter environments. It is paired with a smooth 60Hz refresh rate and ideal for binge-watching your favorite shows, playing games, or browsing the web. The internal cores of the TechLife Pad Neo is powered by a Unisoc T612 octa-core processor with clock speeds of up to 1.8 GHz and paired with an ARM Mali G57 GPU. It has 4GB of RAM that you can increase up to a total of 8GB via the virtual RAM expansion, and the internal storage offers a 64GB. We know that the 64GB storage may not be enough for some users, but don't worry, in case you need more space, the tablet has expandable storage feature up to 1TB using a microSD card. Armed with a good set of specifications, the TechLife Pad Neo is built to handle everyday tasks with ease, delivering smooth performance for multitasking, media consumption, and even light gaming, to seamlessly handle the graphics with ease. For biometrics, the device only supports a face unlock and additional security options using the traditional screen lock options such as swipe, pattern, PIN, or password. Snap quick photos or capture important moments on the rear camera of the TechLife Pad Neo as it is equipped with an 8-megapixel lens. For your selfies or video call meetings, the front-facing camera offers a 5-megapixel lens. For videos, both the front and rear cameras of the tablet can record footage at resolutions of 1080p, 720p, and 480p, all capped at 30 FPS. Although it lacks higher frame rate options, you still get decent smooth and clear recordings for your everyday video needs. The TechLife Pad Neo runs on the latest Android 14 software that has less bloatware and offers a user-friendly experience. For younger users, the tablet offers essential Google services like Chrome, Gmail, or Google Meet, needed for the studies and access to the Play Store, allowing them to download additional apps. To create a safe digital environment for kids, it comes with a built-in child mode and parental controls. Stay connected with Wi-Fi or use the 4G LTE feature to support for uninterrupted browsing, streaming, and make online calls while on the go. Additional features like Bluetooth 5.0 and advanced positioning systems like GPS to ensure you're always connected and on track. To stay power up all day, the TechLife Pad Neo boasts a 6,000 mAh battery capacity, enjoying extended usage without worry to charge the device frequently. When it's time to recharge, the included 10-watt Type-C power adapter provides a safe and efficient charge, getting you back up and running in no time. Plus, the 5-watt reverse charging feature is useful to charge your other devices when needed. The design of the TechLife Pad Neo is sleek and lightweight, perfect for modern users. In case you prefer a subtle and sophisticated look, our review unit, the Storm Gray color variant, is an excellent choice. Its large 10.1-inch HD IPS display offers good vibrant visuals. It's responsive and smooth scrolling for watching various videos and a bit of light gaming. It can easily handle everyday tasks like multimedia consumption, web browsing, and schoolwork thanks to its 6,000 mAh battery capacity, its Unisoc T612 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage that's expandable up to 1TB for those needing extra space. The 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front cameras can produce decent photo and video quality in good lighting conditions, but images become soft and noisy in low light conditions. We like that the tablet is using the latest Android 14 software with less bloatware apps. It also ensures a user-friendly experience along with the essential Google apps needed and parental controls to manage your child's apps and services they can access. The TechLife Pad Neo's 4G LTE feature is very convenient as it ensures you to stay connected even when you're outside the home, keeping you online wherever you go. Overall, the TechLife Pad Neo is an affordable and reliable tablet which makes it an ideal gift for kids, students, and even your grandparents this Christmas season. The TechLife Pad is priced at 5,999 for the 4GB 64GB model and 7,499 for the 4GB and 128GB model. It is now available online through its official e-commerce partners.